Every year, hundreds of people, many of them elderly, are tricked by people who call on them claiming to be from the electricity, gas and water companies. And when they get in, they steal. You can help prevent this. If you have an elderly relative, remind them of the rules. Lock, stop, chain and check. Schoolgirl Ellen Evans did just that as her nan was making a cup of tea.
Hi Nan, how are you today?
Fine, thank you. But I think there may be something wrong with my water pipes.
Why's that?
Well, a man knocked on my door earlier and said he was from the water board. He said he wanted to investigate a problem in the street and needed to look under the sink.
You didn't let him in, did you?
Well, yes, why not?
Nan, you should never do that. I've been reading about it. That's how burglars get into older people's homes to steal things. He might have taken money or something.
No, I don't think so, because I was with him all the time. He said it looked okay and that he'd come back.
And did he have any identification? You know, a card with his photo on?
Well, I didn't ask, so I don't know. I've never done that.
Right, Nan, promise you'll not let anyone in without checking first.
What should I do then?
Well, I've been reading about it on a website. You should lock, stop, chain and check.
Well, what does that mean?
First of all, you should always lock the door.
Right.
If there's a knock on the door, stop and look out the window to see who is there. If you don't know them, put the chain on before you open the door. If they haven't made an appointment, then just don't let them in.
But what if it's important?
Then if it's to do with water, gas or electricity, they'll have written to you about it. They've even got a password scheme you can use. So don't take a chance. If you don't know the person, don't let them in, unless you're convinced that they're for real.
Yes, I hadn't thought about it really. Is that it?
Oh, one more thing. I read that sometimes these thieves who target older people work in pairs. While one keeps you talking at the front door, the other one goes on the back. So keep your back door locked too.
Oh, this sounds very worrying to me.
I read that this sort of stuff doesn't happen very often, but it's best to be safe.
Yes, you're right. What's that rule again?
Lock, stop, chain and check. But when I come round, promise you let me in.
Yes, you'll definitely get past my security. Now tell me about those GSCP exams or whatever it is they're called.
Oh, Nan.